visitors for over 10 years. Check us out on Market Street in Apalachicola and on Reed Avenue in Port St. Joe. Stop Go Fish.
Stop Go Fish, open Monday through Saturday from 10:30 to 6 and Sundays from 12:30 to 5.
Do you want to rent a golf cart during your stay on St. George Island, but you're not sure you'll have road access? Then rent a street legal golf cart from Iron Easy Go-Kart Rentals. As the only street legal carts on the island, you can ride anywhere, including Gulf Beach Drive. Don't limit yourself to dusty, bumpy back roads. Rent one of our brand new 4 or 6 passenger carts and enjoy the ride. Hourly day and weekly rates are available. Call them today at 850-927-2028 for reservations. Or stop by the rental office located at the Space Arcade at 123 East Gulf Beach Drive.
Coming up the boat. Moving this way. You don't want to get back in the motor.
St. George Island, then come to the Space Arcade Fun Zone at Playland at 123 East Gulf Beach Road. Come enjoy all of your favorites, including skee-ball, basketball, VR games, shooting racing games, pool machines, and much more. Something for the whole family. The Space Arcade St. George Island is located at Washington Supernova on Gulf Beach Drive and open from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. 7 days a week. Hi, this is Eric from Adventure. Along with being the number one Suzuki retail center on the Scotland Coast, Las Adventures is your custom labor product for all the best players and
Oh my god, that's a big fish. Oh my gosh, what a deal. Oh my gosh.